The majority of fires start in the kitchen and are mainly due to unattended cooking and faulty appliances. Here's some simple tips to make the kitchen a safer place to work. Don't wear loose clothing while you're cooking and keep the area around the stove clear. Don't leave tea towels, oven mitts, kitchen cleaning products, shopping bags, egg cartons or anything that could catch fire anywhere near the stove. And don't hang tea towels over the oven door. And if you've got children or pets, keep them out of the way. If you have to leave the kitchen for any length of time, turn the stove off. If you must leave it on, take something with you to remind you that you're cooking, like a wooden spoon. If you have a grease or oil fire, never put water on it or this will happen. The water splatters and just makes the fire worse. Let me show you what to do if a pan on the stovetop catches fire. Place the lid on the pan by approaching from an angle. Turn the stove off, remove from the source of heat and move away. Fire blankets are ideal for smothering cooking fat fires and can also be used to wrap around people if their clothes catch on fire. They should be stored in the kitchen away from the stove but nearby so that you can reach for it quickly in the event of a fire. Secure the fire blanket to a strong hook on the wall or a solid cupboard door so that when you pull down on the tabs to release the blanket, the cover will stay put. If you have a cooking fat fire, grab the tabs on your fire blanket and spread it out completely, protecting your hands and face. Don't throw the blanket onto the fire as it may spread it to the floor. Place it over the pot like this, turn off the heat and leave it for at least half an hour to cool down. You should also ring the fire service via 000 for them to come and check it out. When purchasing a fire blanket, make sure it's approved for Australian standards and at least 1 metre by 1 metre in size. Microwaves are safe, but they're still the appliance most likely to cause a fire in the kitchen. Don't place metal items such as aluminium foil, steel or aluminium containers, cutlery or wire ties in there. If you need to, use a paper towel or plastic film instead. If something in your microwave does catch fire, don't open the door or throw water on it. Instead, leave it closed, unplug it and let it burn itself out. There's lots of different types of fire extinguishers. And this 1 kilogram dry chemical fire extinguisher is good to consider for most homes. It lasts about 10 to 12 seconds and is effective on small household fires. We recommend that you consult a reputable fire protection company for advice on products that are best suited to your particular circumstances. Finally, please take extra care if you're cooking after consuming alcohol or taking medication. These can cause you to forget things and take unnecessary risks.